This is part 2 of sensors for IoT. Today I am going to deal with LM35, IR sensors and humidity sensors or hygrometers. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. The LM35 series are precision integrated circuit temperature sensors whose output voltage is linearly proportional to the Celsius in centigrade temperature. The LM35 thus has an advantage over linear temperature sensors calibrated in Kelvin, as the user is not required to subtract a large constant voltage from its output to obtain convenient centigrade scaling. The LM65 does not require any external calibration or trimming to provide typical accuracies of 0.25 degrees centigrade at room temperature and plus minus 0.75 degrees centigrade over a full range of minus 55 to 150 degrees centigrade. LM35 can be applied easily in the same way as other integrated circuit temperature sensors. It can be glued or cemented to any surface and its temperature will be within about 0.01 degrees centigrade of the surface temperature. Measurement of heat sink temperature in power electronics is one of the application. Ambient temperature measurement of electronics equipment and temperature of any surface, this can be glued. This can be used where high accuracy is required. Apart from LM35, there are ICs from other manufacturers like Texas Instruments and Maxim. Humidity sensors. The scientific name for humidity sensor is hygrometers. There are various types of hygrometers: capacitive, resistive, thermal, gravimetric, and optical. Let us see one by them. Capacitive hygrometers are humidity sensors. In capacitive hygrometers, the effect of humidity on the dielectric constant of a polymer or metal oxide material is measured. With calibration, these sensors have an accuracy of plus minus 2% relative humidity in the range of 5 to 95%. Without calibration, the accuracy is 2 to 3 times worse. Capacitive sensors are robust against effects such as condensation and temporary high temperatures. Capacitive sensors are subject to contamination, drift, and aging effects, but they are suitable for many applications. Resistive hygrometers are humidity sensors. In resistive hygrometers, the change in electrical resistance of a material due to humidity is measured. The typical materials are salt and conductive polymers. Resistive sensors are less sensitive than capacitive sensors. The change in material properties is less, so they require more complex circuitry. The material properties also tend to depend both on humidity and temperature, which means in practice that the sensor must be combined with a temperature sensor. The accuracy and robustness against condensation vary depending on the chosen resistive material. Robust condensation resistance sensors exist with accuracy of up to plus minus 3% relative humidity. Thermal hygrometers are humidity sensors. In thermal hygrometer, the change in thermal conductivity of air due to humidity is measured. These sensors measure absolute humidity rather than relative humidity. Gravimetric humidity sensors. A gravimetric hygrometer measures the mass of air sample compared to an equal volume of dry air. This is considered the most accurate primary method to determine the moisture content of the air. The inconvenience of using this device means that it is usually only used to calibrate less accurate instruments. Optical. An optical hygrometer measures the absorption of light by water in air. A light emitter and a light detector are arranged with a volume of air between them. The attenuation of light as seen by the detector indicates the humidity. Aside from greenhouses and industrial spaces, hygrometers are also used in some incubators, saunas, humidifiers, and museums. They are also used in the care of wooden musical instruments such as pianos, guitars, violins, and harps, which can be damaged by improper humidity conditions. Hygrometers play a big part of firefighting as the lower the relative humidity, the more vigorously fuels may burn. In residential settings, hygrometers are used to assist in humidity control. Too low humidity can damage human skin and body, while too high humidity favors growth of mildews and dust mite. Hygrometers are also used in the coating industry because the application of paint and other coatings may be very sensitive to humidity and dew point. Textile industry uses widely to monitor humidity. Humidity is very important to maintain the thread quality. IR sensors. An infrared thermometer is a thermometer which infers temperature from a portion of the thermal radiation, sometimes called black body radiation, emitted by the object being measured. They are sometimes called laser thermometer as a laser is used to help aim the thermometer, or non-contact thermometer, or temperature guns to describe the device's ability to measure temperature from a distance. By knowing the amount of infrared energy emitted by the object and its emissivity, the object's temperature can often be determined within a certain range of its actual temperature. This is the end of this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can view oncoming tutorials of sensors and other IoT related materials. Thank you for watching. This is Kadal Lamudam from Chennai signing off. Good day to you.